Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain to you how you can customize the layout and the appearance of headers you add to your application screens in the Adalo app builder. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the Adalo app editor, and I am going to use this application for demonstration purposes. Navigate to the given screen, zoom into it with the header. I added this header here for demonstration purposes, but you can go move any of these headers here. So left click into it, and that is going to redirect you to the header or component or section, in this case here, settings. Switch from setup to layout and go through these options. You may, for example, set the header to visible on desktop, tablet or mobile. You can enable the sticky while scrolling feature here by using that handle to the right. You can customize the desktop layout. So for example, if your app is displayed on a desktop, the width resizing, set an anchor. Then you may go do the same for the tablet layout, for instance. For example, there are these anchors here that are available, and also the mobile layout as well. And there's also these advanced settings, so you may enable these, and here change the width and height of the header, the left and right space, the top and bottom space, set a minimum width, maximum width. And if you for some reason are not content with your layout, you may reset all layouts to default settings by clicking to this button. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.